They said AI will change everything. It's the new electricity, the new internet, the future of humanity. But what if I told you this might just be the biggest financial illusion since the dot-com bubble? What if we're standing on the edge of a $100 billion collapse, and we don't even realize it yet? Let's go inside the AI bubble, the money, the mania, and the hidden cracks that could make it burst. In late 2022, ChatGPT became the fastest-growing consumer app in history. A single chatbot triggered a $1 trillion arms race. Microsoft poured in billions, Google panicked, and Nvidia became a $1 trillion company overnight. Everyone, from Wall Street to tiny startups, wanted a piece of the revolution. But every gold rush ends with more shovels sold than gold found. Have you noticed how every company suddenly added AI to their name? A juice brand becomes AI-powered hydration. A dog-walking app promises machine learning pet happiness. Even dating apps brag about AI-matched soulmates. That's not innovation, it's hype inflation. Investors have thrown more than $200 billion into AI ventures, startups, chips, data centers. It's being called the next industrial revolution. But we heard that before, with crypto, dot-coms, and housing. Every time, the pattern's the same: hype, frenzy, overvaluation, and collapse. Right now, we're somewhere between frenzy and overvaluation. And the signs of a crash are already showing, hidden beneath shiny headlines, layoffs, fake demos, and cash burn. Artificial intelligence sounds magical until you realize how expensive it is. Training models like GPT-4 costs tens of millions in electricity and GPUs. Every conversation you have with ChatGPT costs real money, and most companies still haven't figured out how to make a profit. OpenAI loses money on nearly every query. Anthropic, Inflection, and others are in the same boat. It's not innovation anymore, it's financial gravity. To power these models, everyone depends on Nvidia. Their chips are the new oil. But supply is scarce, prices are insane, and tech giants are hoarding them like gold before a storm. Microsoft is building data centers the size of cities, Google's racing to catch up, Amazon's burning billions on custom chips. Yet the math doesn't change. Each AI query is costly and unprofitable. The more people use AI, the more these companies lose. If AI is the future, why does every company sound like it's selling dollars for 90 cents? Because profit isn't the goal, dominance is. Everyone's burning cash to capture market share before someone else does. Pets. Com thought that too. Every AI demo looks perfect on stage, but when you try it, it barely works. AI agents that were supposed to automate your business still break. Self-driving cars still confuse stop signs. AI doctors can't replace human judgment. Most products are prototypes wrapped in press releases. Behind the curtain, the automation relies on thousands of underpaid humans labeling data. AI isn't replacing humans, it's quietly exploiting them. This isn't just about broke startups. Entire economies are betting their future on this illusion. Remember the dot-com era? In the late 90s, everyone wanted a dot-com. Investors threw billions at companies with zero revenue. By 2000, $5 trillion in market value disappeared. Only a few survivors like Amazon and Google rebuilt the web. Fast forward to today, AI firms are burning even more cash at even higher valuations. None of the major ones are profitable. Even giants like Microsoft and Google are inflating stock prices on expectations, not results. When expectations collapse, empires follow. When the bubble bursts, venture capital dries up. Startups fold. Data centers turn into ghost towns. Nvidia's stock crashes. And public trust? Gone. Investors lose faith not just in AI, but in the entire idea of innovation. When belief dies, valuation dies with it. And here's the irony. People said AI would make humans obsolete. Looks like AI might make AI investors obsolete first. Worse than the money is the dependence. We've plugged AI into everything: law enforcement, healthcare, finance. What happens when these systems hallucinate or crash? We've already seen it. AI bots causing flash market crashes, spreading deepfakes, or giving dangerous medical advice. We've built a society on technology we barely understand, and like every great leap, we rushed in before thinking it through. Why does this happen? Because humans love stories more than numbers. The story of AI is irresistible. Smart machines, infinite productivity, a world without limits. But every bubble feeds on the illusion of inevitability. Crypto was inevitable. The metaverse was inevitable. Now AI is inevitable. When everyone believes the same thing, it's not innovation, it's herd behavior. The pop won't be a single explosion, it'll be a slow leak. Failed startups, layoffs, scandals about fake data, and then confidence vanishes. Even the biggest names will feel it. OpenAI might survive, but bruised. Microsoft will pivot. Thousands of others will vanish into the digital graveyard. The $100 billion collapse won't just erase money, it'll erase trust. But every collapse brings clarity. After .com, we got real companies with real value. After crypto, we learned what decentralization truly meant. When the AI bubble bursts, we'll finally see what's real, who's solving problems and who was selling smoke. AI isn't a scam, it's a tool. But tools are only as valuable as the problems they solve. The true AI revolution will come quietly, in education, healthcare, logistics, small business productivity. The real future is humans and AI working together, not humans being replaced. So what should we do? Don't panic, don't boycott technology, but stay alert. History doesn't repeat, it rhymes. And right now, the rhythm sounds awfully familiar. Technology feels unstoppable, but blind optimism is the most dangerous code we've ever written. Before we hand our world over to algorithms, we need to ask one simple question. Are we building intelligence or inflating another bubble? Because when it bursts, and it will, only those who understand the difference will survive. This is Truvo, where we uncover the truth behind money, power, and technology. If this opened your eyes, hit subscribe, drop a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. Do you think the AI bubble will burst soon, or will it redefine the world before it collapses? Stay curious, stay cautious, and remember, every revolution starts as a story. The question is, how will this one end?